Hi everyone, and welcome to another video from DisplayRepair.com. If your wipers are chattering and screeching while wiping, this video will show you some of the most common reasons and solutions to the problem. So stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Be sure to visit us at our website DisplayRepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. This is the first and easiest reason to check out. Over time, a thin film of dirt, grease, and other filth builds up on the wiper blades. This causes the wipers to smear but also to start chattering. The solution, of course, is to clean them. There are numerous ways to do this. The usual way is with a window cleaner and paper towels or with a chamois cloth. You can also use wet wipes, as they have a certain percentage of rubbing alcohol in them, which can clean the wiper blades real good. Besides this, there is a WD-40 hack. We've made a separate video on this topic about how to revive and clean old wiper blades using WD-40. Click on the link if you want to see it. While you're at it, it would be good to clean the windshield also. Over time, a thin film of filth forms on the windshield that the wipers and washers can't take off. It can also contribute to the chattering wipers. While you're cleaning the wiper blades, check their condition. Chattering is often caused by worn out blades. Check if they're teared, brittle, or torn. If they are, replace them, otherwise all of these tips are pretty much useless. Wiper blades are easy to replace and you can do it by yourself. If you want to see our video specifically on that topic, click on the link. If everything is clean and the wiper blades are in good condition, then check the wiper arms. Over time, for various reasons, they may get twisted to some extent. This leads to the wiper blades unevenly falling onto the windshield. When everything is okay, then the wiper blade rubbers fall onto the windshield at a 90-degree angle. If you see the blade laying onto the windshield instead of standing, then this is a sure sign you should do this. There are two ways of doing this. You can take off the whole wiper arm, put it in a vise for instance, and straighten it there. But to avoid the extra work, you can do it on the car. Just be careful you don't accidentally hit the windshield with the wiper arm. All you'll need are two pliers and some insulation tape. So raise the wiper arm and put some insulation tape in two places where you have enough leverage to twist it. The tape prevents the scratches and future rust on the wiper arm. Instead of tape, you can use a piece of cloth for instance. The point is to protect it. Take the pliers and twist the wiper arm until it's straight again. Don't be surprised if you need some more strength, as some wiper arms are thicker and more resilient. If needed, use something with more leverage like a vice grip, French key, maybe a pipe wrench. After that, return the wiper blades back into place, and if everything is okay, they will fall on the windshield at a proper angle. So, first clean and check the wiper blade condition, and if everything is okay, then check the wiper arms and straighten if needed. All of this in real life takes about half an hour of your time at most if everything is okay. A small amount of time for the benefit of getting rid of the wretched screeching and chattering every time you turn on the wipers. So that's it for this time. Hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.